Principle of Lesson 41. Word ending graph is represented by gay. Photograph, F-O-T-O, gay. Photographic, F-O-T-O, gay, K. Photographically, F-O-T-O, gay, disjoint, K, li. Stenographer, S, full blend of 10 TN, O, gay, R. Autographed, O-T-O, gay, D. Typographical, T, long I, P, gay, disjoint, cal, or K. Paragraph, P-A-R-A, gay. Paragraphed, P-A-R-A, gay, D. Telegraphing, T-E-L-E, gay, I-N-G. Abbreviated words, anniversary, A-N-E-V. Memorandum, M-E-M-O. Convenient, convenience, K-V-E-N. Equivalent, E-K, then sound of W, E-V. Significant, significance, S-E-G-N-E-F. Statistic, S-T-A-T. Statistics, S-T-A-T-S. Statistical, S-T-A-T, disjoint, K. Reluctant, reluctance, R-E-L-U-U-K. Privilege, P-R-E-V. Privileged, P-R-E-V-D. Privileges, P-R-E-V-S. Word beginning trans is represented by a disjoint T. Transmit, trans, M-E-T for meet, transmit. Transact, disjoint T, A-K-T. Transaction, disjoint T, A-K, ish or shon. Transport, disjoint T, P-O-T. Transportation, disjoint T, P-O-T, ish or shon. Transfer, disjoint T, F-E-R. Translation, disjoint T, L-A, ish or shon. Transit, disjoint T, E-T. Transistor, disjoint T, E-S-T-R.